Hi guys, this have to be the beauty. I wanna make a video where I will unbox this, but I have to do it when they deliver it because of this hole, and I hope everything is okay. Then we've got the first thing. This is a pipe. Nice one. Nice one. Goes here under this, hopefully. Yes, somehow, I don't know yet. Yes, this way, I think. First one in here. Here, second thing, COBRA and this stuff. Okay, and this beauty, come on. Yes, but I don't know what now, because I ordered and I paid for that, I think $50 for 30 or 300 millimeters length, and this one is, I think, longer. Maybe this is 30, yeah, this is 30. Okay then, this one is good. Okay, sorry COBRA. Okay, what else we got in here? Nothing in here. It's in here. Maybe it's DB killer, but I don't think because DB killer is in. Then we'll see what is this. Paper. Then I think we've got everything.